Just remember guys, when attempting a speed run, always remember to look both ways, and whatever you do, avoid that truck.
Well, good afternoon folks, Rich here. I'm out with the Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL with its castle setup. I've got the GPS on board, and today I am running on a Vonic 4S pack on air. So we're going to have a quick run up and down, quick narrative, bringing the operative word, probably. So a quick see, just check all the steerings in line and things. Just check that's running nice and straight. Yeah, not bad. Now, I was testing this down at JJ Customs earlier, and it was actually leaving streaks of rubber along the road when we were under hard acceleration. Anyway, let's see what we got. Ooh, nice recovery, Rich. I think we might need a bit of weight in the front here, boys. Let's see, maybe I fed the power in a bit too early. Quite impressive, it'll lift the front wheels at that speed. I've got a large piece of brass at home, which I may fit in. Let's see. Sorry. Well, I brought that back up. A very nice lady in the car stopped as she thought she'd run my car over. What have you got on there? 62 miles an hour. Not very good at all there, Rich. Thought we had a lot more in it than that there, boys. Anyway, onwards and upwards.
Well, there you go guys, that's the joys of speed runs for you and the inherent danger that can happen. Even best laid plans, that's a very, very quiet spot. Virtually nothing ever comes down there. Things motoring along absolutely flat out. And the one thing I'm always worried about at that spot, car pulls out in front of me, my error on there, slammed the brakes on, steered to the left, avoided like several $100s worth of absolute disaster on there. So definitely time to find another speed run spot in the Bay Area, and I think I'm going to need a spotter because this thing is going to be capable of some seriously big numbers. That was just on 17.2 there today, but this thing's got a lot more speed to come out of it. Anyway, you don't want to miss those future runs, then don't forget to subscribe. All comments welcome, by the way.
We hope you liked this video. If you did, please click on the circle image to subscribe. And if you hit subscribe, then don't forget to hit that little notifications bell next to it.